Hello, my name is Courtney, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. And this is all stuff that you can do on your own without any help. So the first thing I want to go over is the number of words of content you have on your front page. You guys have around 1,100 words of content. Well, in order to be optimized with Google, you need around 1,500. So you could easily add just a few hundred more words of content to your front page, and it will help you get optimized with Google. If we go over here to your competitors, they have around 1,000 words of content, so not that big of a difference, but it definitely helps. Content is not the only thing that is important when it comes to Google ranking, however. Another thing that is important is the keywords. So here we have Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that shows how Google ranks every website. And we can see here you guys have around 924 keywords on your website. These here are your top keywords that are used. And we can see you get a decent amount of traffic from them, which is pretty good. If we go over to your competitors here, we see they have around 11,000 keywords, which is a big difference. We can see here, this is the traffic that they get from their keywords. Now, it definitely makes a big difference that they are a larger company and a more well-known company around the United States. But that doesn't mean you can't raise up your Google ranking in order to possibly even beat them out. The next thing I would like to go over is backlinks. Now, all backlinks are links between sites, and these are the external links of the website. When it comes to backlinks, backlinks tend to be more effective if the site that is linking to you already has a lot of traffic and is already really pretty relative to you guys. Then it can be way more effective than if it were a lower traffic site. And we can see here your website has around 1,600 backlinks. And if we go over to your competitors, they have around 334 backlinks. Now, these numbers are definitely really big for most websites, given that they are a bigger, well-known type of business. But I mean, that doesn't mean you can't beat out people close to them as well. The final thing I wanted to go over was the Google Map Pack, or the maps. As we can see, it just shows businesses' names, phone number, gives a link to their website if they have one. And you get around 35% of the clicks in here. Now, the businesses that are placed in this change with whatever is typed in the Google search bar. However, we can see here that you guys aren't ranking in this one. And in order to rank in maps, you just need to add more citations that are submitted word for word into directories like Yellow Book or White Book or Yext. And I'm pretty sure even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. And yeah, we went over the content. You need 1,500 words of content on your front page. You want to have at least 200 to 300 citations more than your competitors in order for you to really beat them by a landslide. And you want more backlinks as well as more relative backlinks to your website. And yeah, well, you can either take this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can email me back, Once again, my name is Courtney and my email is courtney@haydenseo.com. I look forward to hearing from you. All feedback is welcomed and encouraged, and I hope you have a wonderful day.